we'll guide you through how to create a t-shirt design on Printful. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printful website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard and look for the Create tab in the top menu. Click on it and select Product Templates. This is where you'll start designing. Choose New Template and then select t-shirts from the product categories. You'll see a variety of t-shirt options. Pick the style that suits your needs, whether it's a unisex, men's, women's, or kids t-shirt. After selecting your t-shirt, you'll be taken to the design editor. Here, you can upload your own artwork or create something from scratch using Printful's design tools. Click on Add Design to upload your image or use the Text tool to add custom text. You can adjust the size, position, and color of your design elements to fit perfectly on the t-shirt. If you're uploading an image, make sure it's high resolution for the best print quality. Don't forget to utilize the Layers panel on the right to manage different elements of your design. Once you're happy with your design, click Save Template to keep it for future use. You can also click Proceed to Mockups to see how your design looks on a t-shirt. This is a great way to visualize the final product. When you're ready, you can add this design to your store or order it directly through Printful for yourself or your customers. Remember, play around with different designs and have fun with the process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.